Alkenes. The unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon double bond are known as alkenes, having general formula CnH2n and are also called as olefins, oil forming. The double bond in alkenes is known as ethylenic or olefinic bond. Example, ethylene and propene. The electronic structure of ethene. The molecular formula of ethene is C2H4. The carbon atom has 4 electrons in its valence shell and hydrogen atom has 1 electron. 2 carbon atoms share 2 electrons of each between them to form a carbon-carbon double bond. Each carbon atom shares 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms each to form the 2 carbon-hydrogen bonds. Thus, each carbon atom completes its octet and hydrogen atom its duplet. Isomerism in alkenes. A phenomenon in which 2 or more compounds have same molecular formula but different structural formula is called isomerism. The alkene exhibit following 3 types of isomerism. Chain isomerism. The isomerism which is due to the difference in the carbon chain is called as chain isomerism. For example, 1-butene, 2-methyl, 1-propene. Position isomerism. The isomerism which is due to the difference in the position of the double bond in same carbon chain is called position isomerism. For example, 1-butene and 2-butene. The geometrical or cis-trans isomerism. The isomerism which is due to the difference in the spatial arrangements of atoms or group of atoms around the doubly bonded carbon atoms is called as geometrical isomerism. Cis-isomer. The isomer in which similar groups lie on the same side of the double bond is called cis-isomer. Trans-isomer. The isomer in which similar groups lie on the opposite side of the double bond is called a trans-isomer. Cis and trans isomers have similar chemical properties, but they differ in their physical properties. Nomenclature of alkenes. Common system. The common name of alkene is obtained by changing the suffix "ane" of the parent alkane by -ylene. For example, ethane to ethene, propane to propene. IUPAC nomenclature. Alkenes are named by using IUPAC rules as follows. Select the longest and continuous chain of carbon atoms containing carbon-carbon double bond. This gives the parent name of alkene. Count the number of C atoms. While writing the name of the alkene, the suffix "ane" of the corresponding alkane is replaced by "ene", ene. The numbering of atoms in the parent chain is done in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the double bonds gets the lowest number. The locant indicating the position of the double bond is placed immediately before the suffix "ene". Example, 3,3-dimethyl-butylene. The position of alkyl group is indicated by proper numbers. If the double bond is equidistant from the 2 ends, the number of carbon atoms from that end which is nearer to the first branching. General methods of preparation. Dehydration of alcohols. Elimination of water molecule is called dehydration. When alcohols are treated with strong dehydrating agents like concentrated sulfuric acid or P2O5 at about 443 K, they undergo dehydration to form an alkene. It can also be carried out by passing vapors of alcohols over alumina at 623 K. By dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Elimination of hydrogen halide molecule from an alkyl halide is called as dehydrohalogenation. When alkyl halides are boiled with alcoholic solution of an alkali like potassium hydroxide, they undergo dehydrohalogenation to give corresponding alkenes. By dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides. The dihalides in which both halogen atoms are attached to one and the same carbon atom are known as geminal dihalide. The dihalide in which two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms are known as vicinal dihalide. When ethylene dibromide, vicinal dihalide, is heated with zinc dust in ethyl alcohol, ethene is formed. By pyrolysis from alkanes. When higher alkanes are heated at about 773 K to 1073 K, the thermal decomposition takes place forming alkene. Propane gives propene. This process is known as dehydrogenation, the rupture of carbon-hydrogen bond. There is a breaking of the carbon-carbon bond, hence it is called as cracking. Physical properties of alkene. Lower alkenes C2 to C4 are gases at ordinary temperature. Those containing C5 to C17 are liquids and higher alkenes are solids. Alkenes are odorless and colorless. They are sparingly soluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, etc. They have very low melting and boiling points. Chemical properties. Hydrogenation. Alkenes on catalytic hydrogenation at 443 K to 453 K under pressure give corresponding alkanes. Nickel, platinum and palladium are used as catalysts. In this reaction, hydrogen molecule is added across the double bond in the alkene. Ethene gives ethane. Halogenation. Alkenes react with halogens to give vicinal dihalides. Hydrohalogenation. When alkenes are treated with hydrogen acids, corresponding alkyl halides are formed. In case of symmetrical alkene, give only one product. Addition of HX to unsymmetrical alkene takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. When an unsymmetrical reagent is added to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent is attached to that carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. If same reaction is carried out in presence of peroxide such as H2O2, Na2O2, the addition of HX to alkene proceeds opposite to that of Markovnikov's rule. This is known as peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov's addition. This effect is also called as Kharash effect, studied by Kharash. Addition of H2SO4. Alkenes react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid to give alkyl hydrogen sulfates. These on boiling with water give corresponding alcohols. Ozonolysis. Addition of ozone to alkene gives ozonide and then hydrolysis of ozonide to give carbonyl compounds is called ozonolysis. This reaction is used to locate the position and to find the number of double bonds in alkenes. Oxidation with potassium permanganate. Alkenes reacts with cold and diluted alkaline KMnO4 to form 1,2-diols called glycols. This reaction is used to test presence of double bond in molecule and is known as Bayer's test. Polymerization. When ethene is heated at 473 K to 673 K in presence of oxygen under high pressure, a large number of molecules combine to form polythene. Uses. Alkenes are used in the preparation of several compounds like alkyl halides, alcohols, glycols, etc. Ethene is used as an anesthetic. Ethene is used for artificial ripening of fruits. Ethene is used in oxyethylene flame, which is used for cutting and welding of metals. Ethene is used in preparation of polythene, plastic, which is used for making bags, bottles, toys, pipes, etc. Ethylene is used in preparation of ethylene glycol, which is used as antifreeze agent in automobiles and coolants for aircraft engines.